In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy subtasks from one task to another in Asana. We're going to use Asana's built-in merge feature to bring subtasks from one task into another. This is great when you want everything in one place without manually recreating work. Quick tip up front. If you need to preserve the original task exactly as it is, consider duplicating it before you start so you have a backup. Begin by opening Asana and heading to your home view. This gives you a clean starting point and ensures the left sidebar is visible. From there, click My Tasks on the left. My Tasks gathers everything assigned to you, which makes it easy to find both the source task and the destination task you'll be working with. Switch to the List tab at the top. List view is the most straightforward way to scan task names, due dates, and sections side by side, so you can quickly identify the items you need. If your left sidebar or top tabs aren't visible, expand the interface so you can see those controls. Now, click to open the task that currently contains the subtasks you want to move. Think of this as your source task. When you open it, the Details pane will appear on the right, showing its description, assignee, due date, and the subtasks you plan to bring over. In the Tasks Detail pane, click the three dots menu in the top right corner. This is the More Actions menu, and it's where Asana keeps powerful task-level tools. Choose Merge Duplicate Tasks. Even though the label mentions duplicates, it's also the fastest way to consolidate work. When you merge, Asana combines details, including subtasks, into a single task so you don't have to copy anything manually. A search box will appear. Start typing the name of the task you want the subtasks to end up in. This will be your destination task. Be precise here. Picking the correct destination ensures everything lands where your team expects it. When you see the destination task in the results, click it. As soon as you select it, Asana initiates the merge. The subtask from your source task will be brought into the destination task. You'll see an activity note indicating the merge, which provides a clear audit trail for your team. Take a moment to open the destination task and confirm the subtasks are now listed there and assigned to the right people with the correct due dates. That's it. You've consolidated subtasks quickly and cleanly without manual copy-paste. This approach keeps work organized, reduces duplication, and helps everyone stay aligned.